viewers para to the editor. Again, I'll show you again.
Good morning! Welcome to another weekly vlog. It is madilim. What are you doing here? Nakabantay. It is a Tuesday and it's tennis day. Kanina pa ako nagtataka. Gamit ko kasi yung bago kong contacts. Kaka-open ko pa lang. Na dailies. Tataka ako, itong side na to. Weird. Parang natutupi. Yung ano, sobrang nipis niya. Nakala ko, kada blink ko, tumutupi siya. Ayun pala. Parang nag-realize ko habang nagdadrive ako. Di kaya baliktad yung pagkakasuot ko. Ngayon, pagdating ko dito, finlip ko. Sobrang hapdi naman kasi wala akong solution na dala. Nag-alcohol ako ng kamay. Tapos, may decisions in life. Anyway. Sana wag sumakit yung ulo ko dahil sa pinagagawa ko ngayon. Kasi pagka nasa strain na yung mata ko, nagkaka-migraine na ako after. Let's go. It's 8:54. First time ko lalago dito. And it's still inside BF. Let's go na. Hindi ko alam kung ano unahin ko, kung itong reel ko o yung vlog ko.
I let you complicate everything. Like puzzle pieces you rearrange. I wouldn't change it for anything. The way it's pouring, but I kinda need the rain. There's certain things that I'm letting go. Like my old shoes that you threw away. Cause I'm so much better with you than alone. We're going for broke, but I love the change. Now I'm in heaven. I have to have it. My head's up in the clouds, but you keep me grounded. Still the air from my lungs, but I can't breathe without you. My heart's in your hands to have it. Take your time, wreak havoc. This love's taking me down, but you bring me into madness. Me into madness.
Nakalimutan ko na naman na nagbablog ako. It's already 1:30. Pag-uwi ko from tennis, I just had coffee and then nag-family meeting kami sa group chat. Sa video call pala, I mean. Tapos, we just had lunch. And now, I will work. Naalala ko lang kayong i-vlog kasi nakita ko kayo dito sa bag. Nag-vlog na ako lang. Pangatlong linggo ko na to nag-weekly vlog pero hindi ko pa rin palaging maalala. Look at this pogi boy. So pogi. Are you pogi? Boy, so pogi. Oh. So, that is the ganap of the day. Tennis and work. Kaya ako nag-start ng weekly vlog kasi uwi kami ng Lipa sa Thursday. Plus, sa Saturday, birthday ni Kalia. So, that's gonna be part of this vlog. Pero, ngayong araw na to, tsaka bukas, wala masyado. So, bye-bye na. Hi guys, today is the next day. Ang update ko lang for today's video is unboxing. Let me show you some stuff. Because nag-work lang ako buong araw today and I just wanna show you itong mga to for today's video. Mag-unbox tayo. Well, na-unbox ko na po. Okay, doon ata itong iba na to. But this one, sira-sira ko kasi gumawa ko ng video. These ones are from Laurent Active. She is one of my newfound friends. Nakasama ko siya sa LU nung vlog seasons. And I found out that she owns an activewear line. So I wanted to support. Tapos sakto, pag silip ko, mayroong mga tennis wear. So I shopped for some things. Ito oh, sobrang cute. Ganda! It's a tennis dress. And meron siyang inner cycling shorts. And then there's pocket in there. It's so pretty. I bought one white kasi lakas maka-Wimbledon ng all-white na dress na ganyan. And then I also got black. Cute! Ang ganda. Tapos padded din siya. So, basically, itong buong to, tennis outfit na. Wala nang ibang kailangan. It's perfect. Ang ganda ng tela. I love it. I got the size small, by the way. I also got pala another skirt na ganito. Kasi di ba sabi ko sa inyo, wala pa akong green. So, yay! I have na. Meron din siyang shorts sa loob. Tapos, parang maiba naman kasi most of my skirts, diba, are pleated. Tapos, may isa akong Lululemon na hindi pleated. And then, now I have another one. So pretty. Tapos, she sent me a different kind of skirt din ba to? Skirt din. Ibang style naman. Ang cute. Tsaka ibang tela. Tinanong niya ako ng color na gusto ko. I chose this kasi wala pa akong ganito. Oh, saya. Magte-tennis sana ako ngayon. Kaso, hindi pa ako tapos sa work. Di ba Friday ang tennis ni MM? Pero, hindi siya pwede sa Friday. So, pinamove niya ngayon. Niyayaya niya ako sumama sa kanya. Nag-tennis ako kahapon. Sabi ko, kung maaga ako matapos ngayon, samahan ko siya. Kaso, it's already 5 o'clock. Hindi pa rin ako tapos. Sayang. Gusto ko para masuot ko na sana. Anyway, yan. May pocket din dyan. Ang ganda. Kakaiba yung style. First time ko makita ng ganitong style. It's so pretty. And then, she sent me more. Ito mga tops naman. Ayan, oh, wow. Kasi her name is Laurent. Ang cute. Ganda. Another t-shirt. Ah, cute. I love. Tapos, there's more. She also sent me makeup. Dear Coco, thank you so much for your support. Nabura kasi. Nakalagay ba your fan? Or your friend? Ayoko naman mag-assume na you're a fan. Basta yun. Thank you so much, Laurent. And she also sent me a few makeup. Meron din pala siyang makeup na ng galing. Oh. Ooh. Ay, akala ko pabango. Bobo. Ayan, lip tint ata. Buisit na yan. Ano ba yan? Mabango kasi. Oh, okay. Like a water tint. Tapos ito, Supreme Matte Tint. Ito din. So, parang yun ay water tint. Ito mukhang cream. And it's a premium oil-based tint. Tap, shake, and roll. Ah, okay. Ganon din siya. Ah, okay. Ganon din siya. Roller bottle. Ooh. Uy, ang galing! Parang cream nga siya, pero roller ball roller. Ang ganda. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito. That's nice. Ang ganda ng shade. This is the shade. Walang nakalagay eh. Baka isang shade lang. Pero ang galing. Ito, very watery na tint. Tapos ito, parang matte na cream. Pero roller. Galing. Ibang-iba compared sa regular na mga nakikita natin na doe foot applicator. Thank you so much, Laurent, for this. And then, this one is from Go Whole. Eat Smarter, Live Better. So, dito galing yung aking kinaka-adikan lately na coconut creamer. And she sent me more. Thank you so much. May letter ulit. Lagi may letter. Ang cute. Sharing her new product with you to try the Choco Bites or a healthy alternative when you're craving for something sweet. Talagang gusto niya akong maging healthy. Nakikita ata niya yung mga stories ko. Na napaka-healthy ko. These are made from real cacao and are free from preservatives. They are better option for those with high blood sugar too. Hope you, DTB, and your Pops like. Lagi niya sinasama si Pops sa mga pinapadala niya. I'm so touched. Oh, laki! I'm so happy. Ang laki na nang pinadala niya na coconut creamer. If you still don't know, ito yung kinaka-adikan ko na ina-add ko every single day sa aking iced coffee. And also like adding this sa hot coffee. It just makes my coffee very creamy and yummy. Hindi ako mahilig sa coconut flavor. Hindi ako umiinom ng buko juice. Yun nga nagustuhan ko sa Starbucks na with coconut milk. Hindi din siya lasang coconut, tapos gustong-gusto ko. Tapos ito din, hindi din siya lasang coconut. Or, hindi ko alam. Baka nagustuhan ko yung coconut. I don't know. Basta, sarap na sarap ako. No joke. And then, this is the Coco Cacao Chocolate Drink. Binigay ko kay Pops yung ganito dati. And it's also super yummy. Tapos, oh, she sent two. And then, ito yung chocolate. Sige, ito na nga natin. No, this is not pwede for you. Sarap siya. Hindi siya lasang healthy. This reminds me so much of yung kinakain ko na chocolate ng bata kung galing palengke ata yun. Ang sarap! Yes! I should let Pops try this because it's so yummy. Grabe, if you're looking for alternative na yummy, healthy snacks or things, then go check out Go Whole. Nasa Lazada din sila. And Shopee. Uy, ang sarap na na. Hindi ako nag-joke. Sarap siya. Last na, let me show you something that I got for Barkley. Come here, look. Saka ba? This one is for Barkley. From Linen Studio. Napaka-spoiled, grabe. Linen Studio is so expensive, ah. Ang ganda. One thing about me, simula nung nagkaroon ako ng sagid ng bahay, hindi ako nagtitipid sa linens sa bedsheet and sa tulog namin. So, I started buying quality ng mga bedsheets. Kaso nga, di ba, nag-change kami ng mattress. So, nang hinayang ako kasi meron ako from Linen Studio. Ang mahal. These are made out of 100% French linen. They are French-grown and sustainably produced in China. So, nasad ako kasi isa yun sa pinakamahal kong sets. Pero buti na lang, nagkasya pa rin. Si Barkley, favorite niya yun for some reason. Wala. Feeling ko lang. Declared ko lang na favorite niya. Kasi ang sarap na talagang higaan and all. Tapos, I would always tag them kapag natutulog si Barkley doon and all. When they saw na pinadalan ako ng Emma ng new mattress, they also offered na magpapadala sila ng new fitted sheet. So sabi ko, sakto, bibili rin ako ng duvet cover. So they wanna send daw for Barkley and all. Dahil nga, favorite niya. Dahil ko silang pinatag. So, thank you so much. I really wanted itong bago nila na pinstriped. Tapos, I asked them ano bang magandang kakombine. And they told me na itong charcoal para daw magustuhan ni Don the Builder. So, diba? Sobrang sweet kasi buong pamilya ko yung inisip nila. So, there. I'm so excited to change my sheets. Pero wag muna kasi kakapalit lang namin. It's so cute. Ang ganda. Barkley, where are you? Tulog na siya. Ayun lang. And then, pakita ko na rin sa inyo. This one naman is from Better Options. Naglilinis ako ng email kahapon na nakita ko meron silang message. Ang tagal na yun pala. They wanted to send me mga gourmet na bottled. Let me show you. Ito na lang nabasa ko. Adobong tahong in pure olive oil. Wow, sarap! Mahilig kami ni Don the Builder sa ganito eh. Kung matagal na kayo dito sa channel ko, alam nyo na lagi din ako nagmumukbang ng mga ganito. Gourmet tuyo, regular. I told them that I don't eat spicy, so thank you so much for sending not spicy ones. Another gourmet tuyo. And buttered garlic tahong. Oh my God, parang ang sarap. Excited na ako. First week of August, magka-camping kami. So sabi ko, sakto, babaunin namin ito for the camping. So thank you very much. Better Options. And then, meron ditong dalawang Shopee CDTV. Buksan na rin natin. This is the payong for our sasakyan. Ito yung parang pang windshield. Tama ba? Kasi sa labas kami nagpa-park. So, laging mainit yung sasakyan namin pag aalis kami. Meron kami nung luma from before, yung regular na nilalagay sa windshield. Kasi dati namin maliit compared sa ngayon. So, we bought this one na parang payong. Ayan. Pag bubuksan mo, igaganyan mo na lang sa windshield. Para madali. Tsaka in fairness parang madali siyang itatabi at itatago kasi maliit lang siya. Hindi kagaya ng luma na mahabang ganyan. So, there. I'll put the link if you want that. Mga Don the Builder finds for our car. Ito, hindi ko alam. Ano ba ito? Blade. Cutter blades. Hindi na tayo interesado dyan. Yun lang. So, yun lang update ko for today. I will see you tomorrow. Uwi tayo ng Batangas. It's the next day. Welcome back to Judy. Dito na kami sa Lipa. And currently, nagpapavulcanize. Kasi nabutas ang gulong namin. And now, we are gonna go to Pasyal. Papasyal si Pop. Study. Hi to the vlog. Here.
Ito.
Hi.
Hi.
Punta kami sa The Outlets. Kasi matagal na nagyaya si Daddy dun. Nung summer pa, ay ayoko kasi masyadong mainit. Pero ngayon, yun nga, punta kami. Para makapasyal siya kasi he's walking na. Para daw maiba naman ang kanyang scenery. Tapos sakto si Don gusto mag-practice ng kanyang drone. So, that's where we are going today. Plus, si Juday ay madaming baon. Dami naming baon ng mga gamit ni Nini. Ito pa. Naihuhulog namin sa H&M. Because super plenty. Meron pa dito. Tapos yung mga rides ni Daddy, dala namin lahat. So, that's the update. Let's go to the outlets. The goal is to go to H&M. Let's go.
It's been a while since I've had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing your smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's been weeks, yeah. You're gonna be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evoking, yeah. And I can't decide if I'm going crazy lately, 'cause I've been missing you like every day. The world was falling and you always had my back. How am I gonna pay you for that? Were reunited with you, give me some of that, oh. Gonna steal your picture, just so you know I miss you. I'ma print it out and pin ya. Gonna wake up, give me a picture.
Good morning. Putol yung shades ko. Good morning guys, it's the next day already and we're going back to Manila. Dapat maaga kaming luluwas kasi coding kami pero tanghali kaming nagising. But it's just 10 o'clock so we're gonna go straight to SM. Magpapagupit kasi ako and then I don't know, I'll take you with me for the rest of the day.
I never really thought of it this way, but I guess when every day starts to feel the same, it makes you question what you do. Am I insane? Well played. I know what's gonna do to me. Fuck it, I'ma do it anyway. I can feel the consequences creeping up on me. Just another day and I'll play it off like it's okay. I'll pretend like it's not a wasted day. Well played. No, I haven't learned my lesson. Still messing with this bandage. Can't control the damage. No way to break the landing. No, I haven't learned my lesson. So much poison is just rancid. Yeah, every time I need it, I come my back still bleeding. Will I ever learn my lesson? Someone tell me I'm doing fine. Someone tell me that it's alright. Someone tell me that I'm all good and I'm just misunderstood. Yeah, yeah. My bad habits, we can laugh at them, pretend it's not tragic. Oh boy, I know what's gonna do to me. Fuck it, I'ma do it anyway. I can feel the consequences creeping up on me. Just another day and I'll play it off like it's okay. I'll pretend like it's not a wasted day.
Done! Nalubot ako, kaya di ako masyadong makapag-vlog, but I'm on my way to H&M to use the vouchers that I have, and then uuwi na ako because hapon na.
Break the landing. No, I haven't learned my lesson. So much poison is just rancid. Yeah, every time I need it, I come my back still bleeding. Will I ever learn my lesson?
I just got home. Teka, let's do a little haul. Nalubot ako. Kasi inutusan pa ako ni Don bumili ng food. So, kakauwi ko lang. It's already 5:15 and meron pa ako kailangan isubmit na video. Ano ba yan? Anyway, dalawang kailangan kong i-edit. Tapos isa na kailangan kong i-edit at isubmit na agad. Kailangan ko kasing i-edit na yun yung mga for tomorrow because buong araw kaming wala bukas. I think buong araw kaming wala. Dahil birthday ni Kalia. And sa umaga, may appointment kami sa Toyota Pasig for our first preventive maintenance. So, I need to finish everything today. Anyway, let me just do a quick haul of what I got from H&M using my vouchers. But also, bumili ako ng gift wrapper for Kalia's gift. Tapos, yung pamangkin kasi ni Kay, si Ayla, sobra akong gigil na gigil sa kanya sa Instagram. Eh, nandun din siya tomorrow, tapos kaka-birthday lang din niya. So, I wanted to buy something for her para pangsuhol. Para bukas, sana i-love niya ako. Currently, ang favorite daw niya is strawberries. Grabe ko saan ako nakarating paghahanap ng kung ano-anong strawberry na cute. Yung iba kasi basta na lang may strawberry. I went to Miniso, Toys R Us. Yung mga cute din sa H&M na strawberry clothes. Hindi pala cute. May strawberry lang, pero hindi cute. Gusto ko yung matutuwa siya pag nakita niya ako, yung ilalove niya ako. Also, kakahanap ko ng strawberry maghapon. Natakam na ako sa strawberry, so tinry ko yung pink drink. Basta yung strawberry acai drink sa Starbucks with coconut milk also. Parang counterpart siya nung favorite ko ngayon na dragon drink. So ito naman with strawberries. Ang sarap din. Naubos ko na siya. So hindi ko na naipakita sa inyo. But yeah, that's another refreshing drink na nagustuhan ko. Anyway, ang dami ko nahanap pero ito na lang yung naisip ko. Cute little strawberry that you can open. And when you open, there's like a cute penguin. Diba? Ang cute. Tapos I also got strawberry hair snake. Oh, shucks. Iniisip ko, I'm gonna put everything here inside. Kung kasha man. The clips are from Miniso also. Itong strawberry from Miniso din. Tapos, I also got her candies, of course. It's not Auntie Kuku or Tita Kuku without candies. So, I just got a strawberry popsicle sprinkle kinesu. It's a lollipop with sprinkle. It's strawberry flavor. And then, strawberry shortcake na lollipop. Ito, cute lang. Kasi may dog daw sa loob. Tapos may candy. Pero hindi na yata pala kakasya yun. Pero iniisip ko, lalagay ko lahat to dito sa loob. Or when she opens it, there's a lot of cute things inside. Sana kasha. Or tanggalin ko na lang sa carton tong mga clips. We'll see. I'll do that later. Parang ganyan. Basta. A lot of cute strawberry things for Ayla. Cat. And then, other things that I got from Miniso, bumili lang ako ng pang-shave ng kilay. Hindi na kasi ako nagpapa-wax ever since na well, I think twice lang ako nagpa-wax ever since nagpa-microblade ako. Sinishave ko na lang to linis. And I just saw this from Miniso kasi na pa-fold siya. Foldable eyebrow razors. So, para pwede ako maglagay sa aking makeup kit. And then, I also got 2 chukchaks. Mahal pala nito. This one is $299. Which is a good thing, I think, because kapag ka ganon, quality, ibig sabihin, kasi sobrang, di ba nga, 218 lang yung buhok ko. So, kailangan yung mga ganito, yung may certain grip. Kasi yung mga regular, hindi niya kayang i-grip yung buhok ko. Tinry ko to kanina. Nakakagat naman niya ng bongga. So, I like that. I got 2. And then, bumili rin pala ako ng carbon paper. Nothing interesting. For my OR. Grabe, 2 taon na ako may OR. Dahil ko nakalimutan bumili ng carbon paper. So, every time na nag-i-issue ako, 2 beses ko patuloy sinusulat lahat ng details. Finally, naalala ko yun kanina. From H&M, I got 7 items kasi 7 yung vouchers ko. Yung 15% off na voucher kasi is for 1 item. So, kada isang item. Hindi siya sa total. So, kada isang item, you get the discount. And every time nakakuha ko nun, ginagamit ko kaagad. Kaso kahapon, nung nasa outlets kami, wala akong time kasi kasama ko si na Pops. But yun, in-aim ko na magamit din siya today kasi eventually makakalimutan. Sayang naman. Reasons. Anyway, I just got basic things. High waist na denim shorts. As if I don't have enough denim shorts in my closet. Another denim shorts. Ultra high waist mom shorts in color white. Ito, wala pa akong ganito ah. And then, I also got, alam mo, pang ilan ko na tong white jeans. Lahat ng nagiging white jeans ko sumisip for some reason. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. 2 na o 3 na ata yung na-let go ko. Tapos yung dapat isusuot ko last week, yun hindi na naman kasha. Kaya sabi ko, I need to buy another one. So, here's another white jeans. Hindi ko alam kung anong cut nito kasi walang siyang nakasulat. Pero it looks like it's a high waist straight cut. Tapos, as usual, alam nyo na, dami kong linen pants na ganito from H&M. Ang gaganda lagi. Tsaka laging perfect yung length for me. So, I just got this stripes kasi sobrang comfortable lang, cute niya. Ang ganda talaga. Perfect nito pang airport o OOTD or if I just want to not wear shorts. Pero ayoko kasi ng naka-pants lagi or naka-leggings kasi naiinitan ako. Ganitong kinds of pants yung mga bet na bet ko. Pagka ayaw ko mag-shorts pero uuwi lang or babiyahe lang, mga ganun. So of course, I got another one. Same lang, but in this color. Ito, wala pa rin akong ganitong color. I have black, I have green, I have white, I have beige, I have pinstripe na brown. So, hanggat maglalabas sila na maglalabas ng ibang kulay na wala ako, bibining ko lagi. 2 new ones. And just 2 basic tank tops. Kasi yung suot ko kahapon na Hollister, na-realize ko, isa lang yung white ko, or 2 pala. Yung white ko na tank top, tapos luma na sila. So, medyo numinipis na. Baka i-let go ko na yon. I just got this cut, yung regular. And, itong parang razor front. Basta iyan. Halter. Ayan, cut na ganyan. Yun lang. So, 7 items na puro basics. Para lang magamit yung aking vouchers. Para hindi masaya. Alam naman kasing ayaw natin nagsasayang ng mga vouchers. So, there. That's everything that I got. I need to work now. Baka hindi na ako mag-vlog today dahil puro trabaho na yung gagawin ko hanggang mamayang gabi. See you na lang tomorrow when we go to the party and Toyota. Bye-bye. Guys, hindi lang naalala ko. Dami pa ka pala. Kasi may nag-doorbell so dumating to. And then I realized, madami na pala akong packages na dumating kahapon habang nasa Batangas kami na nandun sa tindahan. So, excited ako i-unbox sana tong mga to kasi wala na akong time. So, hindi ko muna sila unbox para maipakita ko sila sa inyo. Either mamaya, pag maaga ako natapos sa work ko, ito yung reward ko, or Sunday na. Basta don't worry, papakita ko sa inyo yung laman nitong mga to. There, see? It's everything. Later na yan, trabaho muna. I'm so happy. Tapos na ako. It's 10:30. Obviously, hindi na ako nakahintay na mag-umaga dahil gusto ko na mag-unbox to. Pero normally, di ba, I would unbox these things with the natural light. Pero I cannot wait until tomorrow. So, nag-start na ako mag-unbox. Anyway, itong iba dito are from Lovito. Yung mga order ko sa Shopee. But I won't show it here kasi I need to save that for another video. Because I have another Lovito haul that's upcoming. Although wala pa lahat dito. So, most of them nandito na. Pero marami pa ako inaantay. And then, this one is not mine also. This is Nini's. Alam mo, pagka nagpo-post kasi ako ng mga Boodle links, mga kapatid ko yun, lalo si Nini, yung mga nangungunang mag-mine-mine. Well, ako din naman pag nagpo-post siya. She asked me to buy her yung aking favorite na Easy Peasy. Yung double-sided boob cover. I got it noong 7/7. Actually, marami akong in-order for her. Ito pa lang ang dumating na mga nasa bilin list niya na napakadami. This one is from Pink Lemon Wear. They're so generous, you know. They've been sending me outfits lately. Ang dami kong damit. Dami kong outfit. Ano ba yan? Tapos hindi naman ako mahilig umalis. Ayan, kaya ako din ito in-open kasi bukas aalis ako. Baka meron akong makita dito na magagamit ko tomorrow. She sent me white. Meron siya pinost. Sabi ko, oh my god, I want that. It's black and white. Hindi ako makapili. Sabi niya, papadala niya sa akin. Pinakapili ko rin si Don the Builder. Kasi parang akong gusto, either black or white. Sabi ko, siya na lang mag-decide. It's a co-ords. Parang tweed yung tela. Ang ganda. Tube top and shorts. So cute. I love. Thank you so much, Pink Lemon Wear. Pagka naghanap kayo ng mga Bangkok outfits, then you can check Pink Lemon Wear. Kaya ang dami kong gusto sa store nila kasi alam niyo naman mahilig ako sa mga Bangkok clothes, diba? Change ako ng camera. And then I have this box from LBC. This is from G Luxury Bags for Less. Oh, they are located in Calapan Oriental, Mindoro pala. Wow, so excited. Thank you so much, G Luxury Bag for Less. She sent me viral na viral lately. Blue elephant glasses. Wow. Oh, so sweet. Meron pang... Oh, I love this. It's a notepad that has a Bible verse. So nice touch. I love that. Thank you so much. Anyway, I've been seeing a lot of blue elephant things lately. And wala naman ako balak bumili. But nakikita ko lang siya lagi. Kasi hindi naman ako mahilig bumili na ng mga expensive na eyeglasses or sunglasses. Because maburara ako sa salamin. And ang dami ko ng mga mamahali na salamin na hindi ko ginagamit or nasisira ko or nabenta ko na. Anyway, I've heard that Blue Elephant is the sister company of Gentle Monster, pero more affordable version. So, napaka-viral nito lately and thank you so much for sending me one. So, if you guys are looking for Blue Elephant glasses, then go check out G Luxury Bags for Less. Complete inclusions. May paper bag, box, and ay, meron pa lang ano. Enjoy your beach trip with this Blue Elephant, Wilco. God bless you and more power. Wow, thank you so much. Ang social naman ng note, naka-laminate. It really comes with everything. Even yung warranty card, yung mga papeles. Wow. Love that. At saka, probably this is the date when she bought it. June 8, 2024. Galing. And then the box, and then the leather case. Hirap na hirap akong pumili ng style kasi pag salamin, nahihirapan ako pag online. I wanna try it kung bagay sa akin. But she sent me photos of when worn and then I decided, ang ganda. I decided to get the style Wilco. Oh, yay! Ang ganda. Yes, thank God, bagay sa akin. Because kinakabahan ako na baka hindi bagay sa akin. Ang ganda! Artista shades. Ooh, I love. Thank you so much, Miss G. I love it. Ang ganda. O, gagamitin ko na ito bukas. Dahil aalis nga ako. This one also arrived and I'm very, very excited and happy because cute nito ah. It's from Aveeno. I love, 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 love this brand. So, I appreciate receiving this PR from Aveeno. I got the Skin Relief Moisturizing Lotion and the same lang pala. Different sizes lang. Oh, perfect. I'll probably bring this for my trip soon. 20 seconds relieves dry, itchy, and sensitive skin. Sakto because magbe-beach trip kami for 1 whole week and I'm sure my skin is gonna be super duper dry. So I'll probably bring this one for that trip and it's gonna be very useful. I love Aveeno because nung nagkaroon ako ng dermatitis, this is one of the brands that is allowed by my derma for me to use because it's very, very gentle. And then excited na ako dito. I'm so happy kasi dumating ito in time dahil late ko na itong in-order. This is from Sue Local Swimsuits na gagamitin ko for our Siquijor trip na next week. And they're famous for customizing bikinis. And buti na lang meron sila nung rush option. As long as yung mga designs is yung nandun na sa website nila. Tapos pipili ka kung anong top, anong bottom, anong cut ng top, anong cut ng bottom. Kung gusto mo full yung coverage sa puwet or cheeky or super cheeky or thong, ganyan. Kaya I super love it. Tapos hindi siya mahal. And ang bilis. With the rush option, you just pay a certain rush fee kung 1 piece or 2 piece, ganyan. Parang I paid 1,500 for the rush of all of these. So, not bad. Yung presyo nito, parang presyo ng isa or dalawang bikini lang ng ibang brands ng bikini ko. So, I'm so happy kasi parang these are parang 6 pieces ata to or 5 pieces. Pang isang buong linggo ko na swimsuit. Tapos parang 1 day lang nilang ginawa after ng rush. Ang saya ko. And then they shipped it via JRS. Kaya lang sabi nila baka daw hindi umabot kasi galing ang Cebu. But it's here. I'm so happy. Sabi niya doon, aabot yan. Ang bilis ng JRS eh. So, yay! Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng material. Ayan, yung cut out. Ang ganda. In fairness talaga, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Wow. Quality. I'm so happy. Sana lang maganda yung mga fit sa akin. We'll find out eventually kasi wala na akong time ngayon mag-try on. I just wanna quickly silip. It's so pretty. Ikaw yung pipili kung anong tela, anong color nito, anong color nito. Sobrang daming options. So, I got this style. And then, maybe I'll do a separate TikTok with try on or something. We'll see. Pagka maganda yung fit sa akin. As you can see, I got different colors and shapes and cuts. Ito ribbed naman. Ang ganda ng this bikini bottom. Then ito, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I remember meron ganito si Nini na Adidas na inaangkin ko kaso pinadala na niya sa US. So, I have na. Gantong-ganto, meron ng Adidas na tatak. Tapos ito, padded pa. Ang ganda kasi pwedeng tanggalin yung pads if you need to change it. Mura lang nitong mga to, in fairness. Ang saya. Pagka nagustuhan ko yung fit nitong mga to, I will probably just keep buying from them na lang. Tapos, pipili na lang ako ng mga colors and tela na gusto ko. This one naman is white. But sa paningin ko, color blue siya ngayon. Maybe because of my light. Pero, it's a white one. Ang ganda. I'm so excited. Grabe ang dami, no? Last one na. String bikini nga pala itong triangle. May dalawang pa-strap siya na ganyan. It's so nice. Excited na ako. Shit. And a normal string bikini. Bottom. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of 2-piece bikinis and dalawang 1-piece. So, 6 pieces. Imagine, parang binayaran ko dito 5,000 plus lang for all. And then, yung rush fee nga, yung 1,500. Pero if di ka nag-rush, imagine, 6 pieces for 5,000 plus. It's amazing. I love it. So local. Galing. Love it so much. This one, I also have a huge bag from Tayo Studio. I'm so excited. Ito, hindi ko talaga alam ang laman. I'm also gonna work with them. I forgot na kung anong gagawin ko. I'm just gonna make a video. Hindi ko alam. Nakalimutan ko na. But, silipin natin quickly what they sent me. Dami! I've heard so many good things about Tayo Studio also. They are clothing that cares. Ethical and sustainable fashion. They chose all of these styles that they think will match me. Silipin natin quickly. I love this color. Shock, sana hindi bitin. Ganda. Trousers. This looks like co-ords. Oh, baka pwede ko din ito isuot bukas. Nice, oh. Ganda ng color. Trousers and top na very bagsak na te. Ah, ganda. Love that already. This one naman is called the Pili Set Black and White Floral. Floral, pwede din to kasi birthday ni Kalia tomorrow is Moana yung theme. Uy, pwede to. Tropical inspired co-ords. I can also use these sa Siquijor trip. Ang ganda. Pwede din to bukas. Oh my god. Sobrang dami kong kailangan isuot at i-promote na hindi ko na alam kung anong uunahin ko. Kasi meron akong balak isuot bukas. na outfit na kailangan ko ding i-promote. Also from Pink Lemon Wear. Well, not kailangan, but of course, because I wanna say thank you to them na nagpapadala sa akin. As much as possible, I wanna wear it and tag them, show you guys, ganyan. Para I can help the business also kasi syempre they're sending, di ba? Ang ganda din ang color nito. Oh my God. Ito nga, excited ako kasi gusto ko lang malaman kung hindi bitin. Oh, yes! Oh my gosh, hindi bitin. I'm so happy! Sabi ko pa kay Mama Ace, may trust issues ako sa mga trousers. Sabi niya kasi, mukha namang matangkad yung model. Sabi ko, ay naku, may trust issues na ako ngayon sa mga trousers online. Kasi parang ginagamit ng mga tao 0.5 na. What are these? Ano ba to? Mga palamuti. Ano kaya ito? Ano nakalagay eh? Belt? Baka mga belt para sa bawat isang. Kasi parang may color ng lahat nung sinend nila sa akin. Or pwede din sa hair. Pwede sa hair, pwede sa belt. Baka ganun. Sustainable nga kasi sila. So baka wala silang sinasayang na material. Dami. Ang saya. This one naman is the Rosita set. Ooh. Okay, it's a top with shorts like this. Love that. Black naman. This is the Linda top. Oh, okay. An off-shoulder top. And lastly, a yellow one. Ganda. Ganda ng yellow. This one is, hindi lahat may nakasulat na name eh. Ooh, is this a dress? A dress! Ang ganda. Grabe, ang ganda naman ito. Nakaka-happy. Just a yellow happy dress. Na sobrang ganda ng tela ha. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Okay, excited na akong gawan ng content to. Kasi nakita ko na yung mga pieces and I know I can make good content out of it. Last na dito. Oh, super excited. Sobrang happy ko. Diba alam niyo naman na mahilig ako mag-collect ng mga jewelry, mga dainty. Sobrang dami ko ng dainty necklaces and rings na binili ko from before na pinatunaw ko kasi parang nagbabago na yung mga taste ko from when I started. So pinatunaw ko and then pinapa-reset ko sila to make it a little bit more like isang peraso lang pero a chunky ring or chunky earrings or makapal na necklace. Ganun yung ginagawa ko. And then lately, I realized parang I'm being drawn to chunky kinds of jewelry lately. Yung pang madam, parang ganun. Yung pang mga ninang, tita, ganyan. Talagang nagiging tita na ako. Pero pagka nakikita ko yung mga presyo, na lulula pa rin ako because of course, alam mo yung isang peraso lang yung mabibili mo. But I know na it's really an investment kasi it's like a big chunk of gold with stones, ganyan. So anyway, yun yung backstory. And then, meron ako pina-follow na Instagram, Old Gold Manila, na they post vintage or pre-loved jewelry na ang gaganda talaga, mga vintage pieces na sobrang gaganda. Pero nakakainis kasi every time na makikita ko yung pinopost nila, sold na. So, lagi lang ako hanggang like. Na isang araw, meron silang pinopromote na isang account na parang she's helping sell all of her collection. Parang they need it for medical bills kasi nagka-cancer ata yung asawa. Nag-browse na ako dun. Tapos, ang dami. Ang ganda talaga ng collection niya. Sobrang daming magaganda. And hindi ako mapakali. At the same time, parang mas magaan yung loob ko gumastos or bumili because I know na makakatulong naman siya sa kanila. Inggit na inggit ako. Ang ganda ng collection niya. Tapos ayun pa, sobrang lapit lang niya sa akin. So, pinagrab din niya kaagad. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you enjoy wearing this as much as I did. Thea Pangan. She's so nice and the collection is super nice. Sana pag lumabas tong vlog na to, hindi pa ubos yung collection niya. Sorry pa siya kasi nakakahiya daw dahil recycled lang yung mga, she lets go of yung mga lalagyan na after. Ganda! Sobrang ganda. Ang dami kong kuda. I got 3 rings and it's so, ang ganda talaga. They're so beautiful. Ganda sis. Tapos ito pa, kaya ako budol na budol kasi magka-size kami ng ring. So lahat ng sing-sing niya, size 6.5, 6, 5, 6.25, lahat. Ayun yung size ko. Again, I'll show you again. First one. Ang ganda talaga. Ano ba yan? Uy, asan na? This is the first one. Ang tagal ko nang gustong-gustong magpa-customize or makabili ng Toi et Moi na ring. Ganyan siya, yung dalawang stones. Ang tagal ko na talagang gusto, pero usually nga mahal siya because of course, 2 big stones siyang ganyan. Tsaka hindi ko pa alam kung anong stones yung gusto ko. Nakakita ko from her, Natural Emerald, yung green na stone. Old Cut Moissanite itong white na bato. Tapos dito sa mga gilid, may mga repurposed natural diamonds. So look how beautiful. Ang ganda talaga. I'm so happy. Ang ganda ng mga explanation niya talaga. Like, you know how passionate she is with her jewelry. Ang galing. Ang ganda ng collection niya. Goals. The other one that I decided to get is garnet 3 stone. Those are garnets. And then may maliliit din na diamonds in between. This one is size 5 actually. Kaya pala dito sa kaliwa ko nagkasya. It's set in 18K gold. Ito, 14K gold. So, itong dalawa lang yung bibilin ko nung una. And then, nung nakita ko nga may PayPal, ito kasi gustong gusto ko. Pero ito yung pinakamahal. Kasi tingnan mo naman sobrang ganda talaga. Hindi ka baka ma-distract kayo. Look, this one is a princess ring. It comes with 3 layers of natural gemstones and it's set in 14K gold. So, itong dalawa 14K yung gold. Ito 18K. Grabe, ang ganda nila. Kahit ang pangit ng kamay ko, nagmumukhang pang mayaman. It's so beautiful. Ito yung mga tipong ipapamana mo talaga eh. Ganda. Saya ko. Ayun lang, okay. Actually, kaya ako gusto mag-unbox kasi gusto ko nang makita to. So, matulog na ako dahil 11 o'clock na. Maaga kami bukas. Good morning, guys. It is 8:30 and we are off to Pasig. Magpapa-maintenance kami. Yung first namin na preventive maintenance sa Toyota Pasig. And kukunin din pala namin yung plate namin tsaka yung ORCR kasi available na rin. And then, after that, we're gonna attend Kalia's first birthday party. Let's go! Magme-makeup muna ako dito sa sasakyan. Ay, magpapakabit din pala kami ng easy trip today. It's a full day for us today. Para isahang lakaran na lang namin. Let's go! Go with us! Hindi pa kami nakakapagkape. I already did my makeup. Ano ba yun? Malagyan tuloy ako. Kaartehan. We are now here at UC5 Extension na papakabit ng easy trip. Finally. That every time na dadaan kami dito, nagmamadali kami or ako, may lakad ako. So, hindi ako makapagpakabit. Kasi it takes so much time. Ba't ganun katagal kasi? Buti pa yung RFID ang bilis. Andun na si Don the Builder, nag-fill out ng form and I finished my makeup. We are perfectly on time. Nag-realize ko yung outfit namin parang pang binyag. Kasi pareho kami naka-white. Ito kasi si Don the Builder, walang Hawaiian inspired na outfit. Sabi ko magsuot siya ng kulay. Magulat-gulat ako, puti ang sinuot. Napakagaling. Tama siya, 12:30. Grabe, 10 o'clock yung appointment namin and nandito na kami ng before 9:30, parang 9:10. 9:50, nandito na kami. And kinuha lang namin yung plate namin and then mga 9:40, nakapila na kami for the pagpapa-preventive maintenance. Hindi masyadong maganda, yun lang gusto ko sabihin. Hindi masyadong maganda ang experience namin for today's video. Hindi kagaya nung bumili kami. Pa-schedule kami ng 10, parang we were hoping na by 11 or 11:30 at least. Tapos na. Pero grabe, tagal. 10 hanggang 12:30. So that's 2.5 hours. Anyway, okay lang naman din for me kasi nagtrabaho ako. Dami ko na-edit tsaka naka-upload ako. Ang party ni Kalia is 2 o'clock pa. Eh, gutom na kami. Wala pa kami kinakain today kundi coffee. So hanap na lang kami ng makakainan dito sa area. Wala kaming makainan. Dito na lang kami napadpad sa tapat ng bahay ni Kay. Meron lang Purple Oven tsaka Starbucks. Gusto ko panin. So we just bought tinapay, Purple Oven, and then Starbucks. Alam niyo na, you already know.
Cause we're running out of time. It's do or die. What are we waiting for? We're running
feel the clock and it's ticking, and every minute is weighing heavy. I'm wishing and praying it could be different. The only way is to face it, turn around and embrace it. Don't know where I am going or what it is I am chasing. I'm in, I feel it burning me up. It's not an if, it's a must. Before I turn into dust, gotta give what I've got. I realized I am the only thing that is holding me down. And if we wanted to get it, we gotta go for the crown. Raise a toast, let's make the most, live it up instead of chasing ghosts. Cause you're a mess, I know it, so am I. I got my skeletons in Cobra Kai. I'm living overtime, dreaming then I go and try. Yamazaki over ice, drink it out my own supply. Let's swing it for the fences, see what we do with it. And let the doubters keep on talking while we proving it. And I don't even hear the words they say. I'm trying to make it out like I've